I ain't gonna lie, guys. I'm still in shock too, man. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we are reviewing the Xmen Asics Gel LYTE 3 Wolverine 1975 by Kith. A lot of brands mixed in this sneaker here, man. And I read a crazy stat. 1 out of 36, guys. Every 1 out of 36 gets a chance to get the 1975 Wolverine. Of course, it's two different Wolverines. I think the other one is 1980. You got Cyclops, you got Storm, you got Rogue. But this is the one I wanted all along. Shout out to everybody who saw that video and saw my real instant reaction of ripping this out the mystery box. Like, I'm still shocked, guys. Real talk. Wolverine just always was my favorite X-Men. Gambit did get there for a while, but Wolverine's always been a standout for me. And this colorway with this suit always been it for me, man. But besides the sneaker, just shout out to Ronnie and Kith for their whole overall experience. Feeling like a kid, buying a pack of trading cards, not knowing which one you're gonna get. Was super dope. The brand is dope. The box is dope. That's why I had to get this video to y'all. Review, unboxing in 4K. You know we don't do too much talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So before we get to this beautiful box here, we get to the sleeve here. And this sleeve here is dope. It has the X there. A lot of comic book things in the background going on. Right here you can see Rogue, Psylocke, super dope. Right here you see Beast, Storm, Wolverine, Gambit. Very dope look here. And it reads, Marvel in collaboration with Kith, Asics Gel LYTE 307 Remastered Special Edition. On this side here you got the Marvel and Kith branding. Then you get the beautiful orange box here that looks straight like a box of trading cards that the store buys before they sell them individually to you. As the box opens up like this, like a candy bar box. Super dope. It even has the pop up. These pop out and pop off. And you can also retape it back right there if you would like. You see the tape there. It's a dope look, man. And after you get from this nice box with all the Marvel, X-Men, Ronnie Feig, Brandon, Asics Brandon, you get this dope silver looking aluminum foil. You look like you're trying to keep something warm or something cold bag. And it has the X-Men logo again. Background here, you got some more X-Men characters. The one I can really see is Colossus, Cyclops, it looks like Morph, Gambit and Storm at the top. Who's that? Storm, Jean Grey, probably Jean Grey. And yeah, you get all that there. Then you go in, and each shoe was individually wrapped in this white tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. So here's a 360 view of the Wolverine Kith Asics Gel LYTE joints. I'm going to just tell you off the bat my highlights. My number one highlight is this here, how the black leather has the blue inside. I feel like they should have made it 3 to make it look like Wolverine claws. That would have been dope, but it would have went against the silhouette. But I think that would have made it doper. But this black leather is hard. It reminds me of a the leather jacket that Wolverine sometimes wear. But I love this black and I love this yellow. It's the yellow silhouette here is the type that you can brush it and it gets lighter and darker. I think that was a dope look. I mean, the silhouette we seen before, but the colors and the textures used by Kith may push this sneaker up a little bit. Leather on the Asics logo here. That's on the right side and the left side. You got gel LYTE 3 there. But my other highlight is the shoelaces. I love this blue and yellow look in the shoelaces, guys. Kind of look like a Peter Parker Spider-Man web look. I really like it. It does give you Thing vibes from Fantastic Four too, but I love that. What I don't really like about the Asics overall, I even said this in my Sean Weatherspoon, I don't like the split tongue. But being that Wolverine is known to split things up, I feel like they could have did a lot more with this look instead of just giving us the colors of the classic costume. But I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm just saying some ways where they could have hit it a little harder out the park. On the back, you got the Asics logo in yellow. That Wolverine 1975 creeps back in. That black creeps back in, yellow, white, and vice versa. The bottom is just all black. Says Asics and that gel LYTE 3 silhouette. They didn't change nothing up here. You do get some regular yellow shoelaces. Some white shoelaces. And the inside on the right shoe reads Asics. The right shoe inside reads Asics, guys. Here's the left shoe here. The inside reads Wolverine. This one also has some tags on it, or tags. Asics. Nothing about Kith. Telling you the gel condition system, cushioning system. Nothing about X-Men or Kith on this here. But you do again have the gel LYTE logo there. I showed y'all Wolverine inside. On the split of the tongue, one side has the size, the other side has the Marvel branding there. So it's an official Marvel collab. Something I'll be screaming for with the Nike SB Dunk. Like, make it official. This is an official collab, guys. Nothing else changed from left to right on this sneaker besides the Wolverine logo. They all come with a card. My card is not the rarest of rare. I think I read that is 1 out of 299. But this one says number 7. It has the cerebral scan. That's what Professor X uses to that's what he uses to find the mutants. So that's on the back. The front just say teams. Have all the X-Men there in the orange holograph. Right there you can read. It says 1 out of 299. So not the rarest, but it did come in this one-tap jewel case, just like they said it would. Magnetic here, which is dope. It's not the PSA one, but man, I got the rare sneakers. I didn't expect to get the rare card too. Yes, sir, man. I'm truly blessed, man. The sneaker gods blessed me. You see, I got on the Travis Scott shirt. I did fall for the Travis Scott Uptowns. I told myself I wasn't gonna. Yeah, I brought the Travis Scott Air Force Ones. Those should be here soon. I'm gonna give y'all a good review on those. But man, I'm blessed. The sneaker gods blessed me with these. Right now on GOAT, I see prices going all the way up to 1,000 from 500. And on StockX, the same, from like $550 to about the $900,000 price range. Very rare, but if X-Men were already in the MCU, I think this sneaker would be at $1,500. If it was a Jordan 1, this sneaker would have been out of here, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.